Once upon a time in the kingdom of Everland, there were two princesses, Princess Emily and Princess Lily. Emily was the daughter of wealthy king and queen, living in a grand palace with everything she could wish for. On the other hand, Lily was the daughter of a kind gardener, living in a small cottage near the palace. Emily had beautiful dresses, sparkling jewels, and servants attending to her every need. Lily, on the contrary, wore simple clothes and helped her parents in the garden. Despite their different lifestyles, the two princesses were best friends. They played together and shared stories and laughed without a care in the world. One day, as they strolled through the royal garden, they came across a magical well. The well said to have the power to reveal the true character of a person. Intrigued them. The princesses decided to make a wish. Princess Emily wished for more richness and grandeur, while Princess Lily wished for happiness and contentment for all of the people in Everland. The next morning, something extraordinary happened. The kingdom faced a sudden economic downturn, and the once wealthy royal family found themselves in a financial distress. Princess Emily was shocked to see her luxurious life disappeared overnight. Meanwhile, Princess Lily family, who were known for their kindness, found joy in the simple life. The community came together to support one another, sharing resources and helping those in need. Princess Emily struggled to adjust to her new reality, while Princess Lily continued to embrace her life with gratitude. Emily, feeling lost and alone, decided to seek out the magical well again. Hoping for a change, she wished for happiness this time. The well responded by showing her the genuine happiness that filled Lily's heart. Emily realized that true wealth wasn't measured in gold and jewels, but in the love and care she had neglected. With the newfound understanding, Princess Emily apologized to her friend and learned the value of kindness, compassion, and appreciating which truly matter in life. The kingdom of Everland, now united by the princess's friendship, flourished with the wealth of happiness and harmony. So, the moral of the story is that true richness lies not in material wealth but in kindness, gratitude, and the love we share with others.